here today at our open event in Warrington. Lots of customers coming through the door, lots of really interesting conversations, hopefully adding value, getting some great feedback about the technology. The technology that we're showcasing is a new super colour range from Fujifilm. We're supported on the day. We're trying to have a little bit of a focus around short-run packaging, around software, around web to print, different areas really, and just things that the customers want to understand. We're supported on the day by Morgana, Vivid, XMPI and Antelis. It's been busy so far. We've enjoyed it. What we wanted to do was maybe put ourselves in the position of our customers. Talk to potential customers and existing customers about what they can offer and how they can increase their offering to the customers, and of course maximise the profit in some of the deals. So one of the things that has been a highlight for me really has been we've got XMPI supporting us, so we've been focusing in on data-driven print and web to print, but some of the dems and the seamless way of being able to send a job from the XMPI station through to the print engine, print it in 5 colours, finish it digitally and produce a live job has been quite an eye-opener for some of the customers. You know, it's seamless, not many touch points, and that's been a bit of a highlight for me. So one of the things that we did today, we wanted to showcase the increased colour gamut that the new super colour range offers. We actually sent, for some of the attendees, we sent a file ahead so that they could print it on their existing engine and then compare it on the day with what we were outputting on the super colour range. And as you can see, I'm not going to name the manufacturer, but this was produced by one of the customers that came along today. This is the output that we achieved using the newer technology. Huge difference. If you look at the Pantones, orange 021, some of the purples, yeah, it's there to be seen. I don't really need to say anything about that. We've also tried to produce some live, real world type of examples, such as these menus done on Nevertare, World reasons. Just again, demonstrating the value and showing the way that customers can work in a different way. So another area that we've tried to focus in on today is the capacity to print and produce short-run packaging, stickers and just bespoke items really. Again, utilising the digital die cutting options from Vivid and Morgana, we've produced some live jobs. One thing that I think has surprised customers that we've been speaking with is the entry point and the cost attached to getting into this marketplace. It really is a lot lower than I think some people would expect, especially if you've already got the correct print engine. So yeah, I'd love to talk to you about this.